Welcome to a journey through Kenya's rich heritage. In this episode, we delve into the timeless legend of Gikuyu and Mumbi, an epic tale of endurance and unity. Discover the history, symbolism, and contemporary relevance of this incredible story. Join us on a captivating journey through Kenya's oral tradition and the enduring spirit of its people. Let's begin. Kenya's rich tapestry of oral tradition is woven with captivating myths and legends, none more enduring and resonant than the tale of Gikuyu and Mumbi. This ancient narrative is not just a story, it's the essence of Kenyan heritage. It imparts profound lessons about unity, strength, and the indomitable human spirit. I am not a historian, but I am privileged to share with you the historical significance, symbolism, and enduring relevance of this timeless legend. The genesis of Gikuyu and Mumbi. The legend begins with the creation of the first man and woman in the Gikuyu tradition, Gikuyu and Mumbi. Their names are etched into the hearts of Kenyans, and their story continues to inspire and connect people across generations. The birth of Gikuyu and Mumbi. In the depths of our oral tradition, we find that Gikuyu and Mumbi's origin is rooted in the sacred red earth of our homeland. Nai, the supreme being, crafted Gikuyu from the fertile soil, endowing him with strength, wisdom, and resilience. Mumbi, a woman of unparalleled grace, was also formed from this hallowed ground, symbolizing unity and equality. This divine creation emphasized the intrinsic connection between man and woman, embodying the essence of human interdependence and the balance of life. The unity of Gikuyu and Mumbi. The union of Gikuyu and Mumbi transcended that of mere spouses; they were a divine partnership. This tale reminds us of the importance of unity and the strength that comes from working together towards a common goal, a timeless lesson that resonates deeply in the hearts of the Gikuyu people. The trials and triumphs of Gikuyu and Mumbi. Life was not all an idyllic landscape for Gikuyu and Mumbi. Their journey was marked by trials, tests, and tribulations. Facing adversity. In the annals of our oral history, we learn that Gikuyu and Mumbi confronted various challenges: the scarcity of resources, the wrath of nature, and unforeseen adversities. However, these hardships only served to fortify their spirits. Gikuyu and Mumbi's unwavering determination to overcome adversity stands as a testament to the indomitable Kenyan spirit and our ability to persevere in the face of adversity. The founding of the Gikuyu. Through their resilience and unity, Gikuyu and Mumbi laid the foundation for the Gikuyu, the Gikuyu people. Their story epitomizes the power of shared experiences and a collective vision, illustrating that communities can be built and thrive when individuals come together. The contemporary significance. The tale of Gikuyu and Mumbi is not a relic of the past, it is a vibrant narrative that continues to guide us in the present and future. Unity and diversity. In a world marked by diversity, the story of Gikuyu and Mumbi underlines the importance of unity and collaboration. It reminds us that, at our core, we are all connected, all part of the same sacred soil. This underscores our shared humanity and calls for unity in a diverse world. Resilience and perseverance. In an era filled with challenges, the enduring spirit of Gikuyu and Mumbi encourages us to confront adversity with resilience and perseverance. Their legacy reminds us that, regardless of the obstacles, the human spirit can rise above and flourish. Equality and partnership. The legend underscores the equality between Gikuyu and Mumbi, serving as an enduring example of partnership and respect. It reminds us to honor and value one another, regardless of gender, as we journey together through life. The legend of Gikuyu and Mumbi is not just an ancient story, it is the living heartbeat of Kenyan tradition. It speaks of unity, resilience, and the enduring power of the human spirit. In a world of constant change, this narrative urges us to embrace unity, celebrate diversity, and face adversity with unwavering determination. Just as Nai shaped Gikuyu and Mumbi from the earth, their story shapes our understanding of what it means to be Kenyan. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, the legend of Gikuyu and Mumbi inspires us to honor our roots, respect one another, and draw strength from our shared heritage. Together, we continue the timeless journey of Gikuyu and Mumbi, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Kenyan people. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Kenya's heritage and the incredible legend of Gikuyu and Mumbi. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through a tale of unity, resilience, and the enduring power of the human spirit. If you want to explore more stories from Kenya and beyond, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time as we continue to uncover the world's fascinating narratives.